What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today is pretty much a DeWALT day. We're gonna be talking about DeWALT deals. It's a lot of deals out there, a lot of buy more, save more from just about every manufacturer. So those will be coming up over the next several days. I have a lot to do in my life though, so hopefully I'll get them out daily. Now, first up, I want to say, Stan, boy. A lot of you guys been posting good deals in the group, and I appreciate that. But I just want to highlight what Stan posted today. Craftsman 20 volt hybrid fans. Most of the fans are hybrids. I think the Milwaukee M12 fan is not a hybrid, but gotta love all these other ones. That appears to be 650 CFM, $14.97. Now, I don't know why it's so cheap, but yeah, we need to go ahead and check BrickSeek for this. I mean, if we can, I'll try to pull it up myself, see if I can find it on BrickSeek so we could see what locations have this bad boy for $14.97. So thank you, Stan, for that. Moving on over, we're going to stick with Lowe's today. I wanted to show you guys that there are some 12 volt buy one get ones going on over at Lowe's. So I'll leave this page up for all the little extreme 12 volt tools, but I just want to show you guys what they came with real quick. Oh, we're going to keep getting ahead of ourselves. Still getting ahead of, okay, what's going on? What's going on? All right, here we are. So basically all of them come with a starter kit, but it's one heck of a starter kit. So you get the tool, you get a charger, you get a 3 amp hour battery, and a 5 amp hour battery, all for the same price as a tool. I actually like this deal better than the 199 buy one get one tool that's been going on. Now I do like the 199 because it was a starter kit as well, but you end up with 3 tools. But this is actually quite good because with this 199 kit, you get 2 amp hour batteries, and they're fine. I mean, the 2 amp hour batteries are good, but I much prefer obviously a 3 amp hour battery or a 5 amp hour battery for those tools that are going to drink some juice, such as the circular saw or maybe even this rotary hammer. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at this rotary hammer though, because the compact version of the 18 volt does not have a hammer function, and neither does this. Don't buy this. I mean, it's just a hammer drill, you know. If you want to get a hammer drill, like a rotary hammer drill, you want to make sure all your rotaries have at least 3 modes: a drill mode, a hammer drill mode, and just a hammer mode that just hammers, right? For instance, a year ago, I had to drive a copper rod into the ground to ground my house, and you know, I had the DeWALT 20 volt compact version. This is all I had was these 2 modes, and so I had to do it by hand, and that sucked. So, anyway, moving on. We have this 4 tool kit, 249. It looks quite remedial, but it's not a bad kit. You get a hammer drill, flashlight, a 6.5-inch circular saw, and you get this XR oscillating tool, 4 amp hour battery, 2 amp hour battery, a charger, and a bag. And we already know that this oscillating tool is like what, 159 on its own. So for an extra $100, you're basically getting all this other stuff. Good deal there. Moving on, I wanted to show you guys this thing right here. Now, this is unique in itself because Lowe's is advertising the thing. When you click it, here's what happens. Oh, this item is unavailable. You can't get it. Sorry. It's like, well, why would you have it on the website then? See, Home Depot, when stuff goes out of stock, it disappears from the site. And it's a good deal. $3.99. You get this jigsaw, which is normally $250 or more or less. Then again, here $150. That's $400 right there. We could stop, but it comes with 2 5 amp hour XR batteries, this rapid charger, a orbital sander, a sheet sander, and a router and a bag for $3.99. I'm sorry, y'all. There's something in my eye. It felt like somebody threw a boulder in my eyeball. Jeez, I'm gonna have to rip through this video. I gotta go whatever that is out. All right. So anyway, $3.99. I'm like, dang, why would they have this on the site? But here's a little hack. Here's a little trick. if you still want this, you see this thing is like, oh, it's 12 by 12 at this Tulsa store, right? So what you do is just click add to cart. From here, you got to type it in the search. Don't let it take you directly to the listing. You just kind of want to see it in search results, then add it to cart, go to view cart, and just like that, yeah, you see these craftsmen buy more, save more. We're gonna talk about those too another day. Boom, right here, $3.99, and I'm able to buy it just fine and pick it up in store. Boom, there you go. There, woodworkers. I mean, that's a woodworker's dream right there. You don't even have to be new to woodworking. If you were, you getting some excellent tools is gonna last you a long time. They should anyway. So, top of the line right there. Almost best of the best you can get. We talked about the extreme stuff. I want to move on. I know I said we're going to be talking about DeWALT, but I'm pretty much done with DeWALT right now. I had this up last week and it was $99. I had it up to tell you guys that at Tractor Supply, some of them still have this kit for $49. I saw one like 2 weeks ago, and it was still $49. Now I actually saw it again last week at another Tractor Supply, and it was $49, but now it's $79 at Lowe's, and it's on a buy more, save more. So again, we're going to talk about that, but yeah, they have a lot of Bosch buy more, save more. We move on over. Here's another Bosch buy more, save more. And lastly, I just want to kind of give you guys a little teaser here. Cobalt has some buy more, save more stuff too, but they don't have it. This doesn't qualify for the buy more, save more. At least I don't think. Let's go ahead and refresh it. This does not. But I will talk about this tool because this thing super rivals as far as specs goes. I mean, it more than rivals the Milwaukee M18 hacksaw. This thing is better spec wise. And looking at these reviews, I'm thinking I'm going to give this a little try. Okay, and for all these people that say you used it to prune branches, look, like I really don't understand what else are you using to prune branches outside? This tool. That was a nice cut too, because usually when them things get big, it just vibrates your hand to death. And yeah, this looks good. So anyway, that's that. Last thing, I wanted to show you guys this deal over at Home Depot. Oh, I think it was another deal at Home Depot too. It seemed to disappear, but show you this deal at Home Depot. Not for just an oscillating tool. It's for a very similar kit. The jigsaw. Well, again, I'm showing you this. Okay, this in itself is a good deal. This jigsaw, this oscillating tool, and the orbital sander, right, for $349, right? Because again, this is like $250 something, $259. Let's call it $250. This is around $150. Again, that's $400, and we know this is more than free, right? $349 for this is a good deal. Add $50 and you got all this deliciousness. It's come with this and that, and you're getting blah 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 for extra $50. So anyway, that's that for today's video. Don't forget, Lowe's has Rakuten. If you're new to Rakuten, use the link in the description to sign up. In addition to the 2% cash back, you'll get a $30 cash back bonus. Hundreds of people have gotten their bonuses. If you've already signed up for that and you've gotten your bonus, then go ahead and just use Retail Me Not to get your 3% cash back. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.